Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Capcut network error on PC. So in this video I will show you a couple of solutions, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you can do here is to use VPN, because in some countries Capcut may be blocked, and for this you can get rid of the access block by using a VPN. And for that I highly suggest you to use Hotspot Shield VPN. It's 45 days free. So what you can do here, you can install VPN, enable it, and you need to look if you're having network errors or not, right? Super easy and fast, and it's basically free. And another thing that you can do here, you can use an old Capcut app. And to do so, I will leave the link in the description below, where you can download older versions of Capcut, right? As you can see here, I just downloaded, if we go back, 2.2.0. And once you download the older version, I will show you what you need to do here next. So on your computer, you just need to go to installed apps, and then you need to find Capcut, and then press uninstall, and press uninstall, press yes, and make sure to keep user data here and press OK and uninstall the app. And once you uninstall the app, what you need to do here next is to just select the Capcut older version here and install it to your computer, and then you need to look if you're getting a network error or not. And if you're getting, and if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can change your DNS servers. So sometimes problems with the network errors can occur by basically using default DNS server. So what you can do here, you can change your DNS servers, and to do so, on the top bottom right corner you should see network and sharing button here. Press on that, and then go to advanced network settings, and then go to more network adapter options here, and then you can go press properties, Internet Protocol version 4, and then you can use the following DNS server addresses. You need to press that, and then just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server just write 8.8.4.4 and try Capcut. And if the problem persists, then try another DNS server, right? Write this one, 1.0.0.1, and on alternate DNS server just write 1.1.1.1. Right, press apply OK, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And the last thing that you can do here, you can flush your DNS server addresses and then restart your computer. So to do so, you need to just open up CMD, command prompt, run as administrator, and then here you just need to write IP config flush DNS, right? And you should get this message and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. Probably you will fix the problem, and if you did, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.